Hello, welcome to my channel. We're going to be talking about this deck. Been out for a while. I just got it. I think it was a few months ago. I got it at one of card places. They sell like cards and wrapping paper and all that. They sell a few tarot and oracle decks. Losing my voice, talking too much. Very big box. It's from this company. Anyways, pretty cool cat deck. Anyways, it's inside the deck box, the booklet on the back, inside of the box. Pretty cool. Inside the box, ain't that nice box inside? Love it. Yeah, it's what is it? 78 cards. Typical tarot deck. Okay, I colored it. I gilded it. The brownie color. The backing, ain't that cute? Love the backings. Not in order. Gotta use a deck. So, all about cats. You love cats? Yeah, you like. And it's very, not that thin, but thin, matte finish. It's mass produced. You could get like maybe bookstores or I saw that Amazon or wherever, eBay. Like I got mine at one of the craft place shops. It's all different things. Isn't that cute? I like the cinnamon cups. Isn't that cute? Cat family on Christmas Day. I got a lot of cats in my house. 8 cats and then plus 4 new kittens. So I got so many. I just don't have them to be in from my videos at the moment. You can do what you get for 8 ones. It's one of my favorite cat decks. Got quite a few. I connect this more with this deck than any other ones. There you go. They should make more dog decks. Animal decks. They have so many cat decks out there. So much. But this is one of my favorite cat decks that I connect with. Anyways, that's the deck. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.